G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. Today we're having a really quick look around the wonderful gardens and plants that we've seen in this Wachau wine region of Austria. Now this area is really famous for some amazing wines and therefore the vineyards, like you can see we're in at the moment, and also apricots. But the other things that it's famous for are those wonderful villages of Dernstein and Weissenkirchen that you can see in my background here. So let's go and have a look at the wonderful gardens and plants that we've seen in the last day or so in this area. You know, as long as conditions are right, grapevines are much more resilient than a lot of people realise. Have a look at these ones. These are not just rogue plants that have grown out of the side of this rock retaining wall. They've actually been planted here to take advantage of all of the available space in this vineyard. And have a look at them. They're incredibly healthy. So let's now go and have a bit more of a look at the vineyards in this area. We have really been enjoying walking amongst the vineyards of this area, and these particular grapevines are just starting to set fruit, and the fruit that you can see here will of course be used to produce many of the wines that this region, the Wachau region, has become famous for. You know, some people might look at all of these wildflowers, and some people might even say weeds, growing in this vineyard. But what I see when I look at this is in fact a lot of wildflowers attracting insects that are beneficial for such things as keeping down pests and of course improved pollination. I think it's fantastic and something that we should all think about even in our own gardens at home. Now I hope you've really enjoyed this quick trip around the Wachau region along the Danube River in Austria. So can I please ask you to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.